Okay, so let's take a look at how you can hide powered by Drupal footer line in Drupal. So here's my website with Drupal, and here you can see powered by Drupal line at the bottom, okay, also known as footer, and I wish to remove this. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can log into our Drupal account. Then we will just add in username and password. Now what we can do is we need to go to, let's say, structure, okay, because that's where we adjust our blocks. So in structure page you have to find out block layout, click on that, and here you can see you have to check for this particular footer line which is powered by Drupal. So let's scroll to the bottom, and here you can see the footer block says powered by Drupal. Now I wish to edit this and I wish to change it to something else. I can also change its position, but currently I wish to keep it in footer but with different text. You can also remove this block if you want. You just have to click on this remove block once you configure it. Okay, so here instead of powered by Drupal, let's go with copyright as title. Okay, and you can use display title. Okay, hopefully that should replace with copyright. If it doesn't, we can simply remove the block. Okay, and there is also option for show for listed pages or hide for listed pages, but then again you have to give your nodes here for each page. Okay, there is also content type like article or basic page. Okay, we don't have to specify that for now, and there is also options for the roles. You can see anonymous user, authenticated user, and administrator. So currently I'm saving this as is, and then I will check out the main site. Here you can see it remains as is. So what we need to do is instead we will just configure it and remove the block. Okay, so hopefully that should take care of the block. So let's refresh this, and you can see the block is removed. So the overwrite method doesn't work, so you just have to remove that block from your footer. So how to go there? You log into your Drupal backend, click on structure, then choose block layout, and then you navigate to the bottom, check for that powered by Drupal block, and simply configure and remove that block. Okay, and then you can refresh your page and see that it's removed from all the pages and not just home page. Okay, so this was small demo.